Hi, Scarlet.
What's up?
I can't believe that crow is still hogging the feeder.
Yeah, he looks like he's gonna be here for a while.
Dang it! I mean, why can't he just get fly-through like the rest of us?
Oh, dang, here comes another one.
Yeah, like that. Why can't that crow be just like his friend? Hey, crow! Grab and go.
Finally!
Back off, Carl.
When we last left our snowbirds, crows and blue jays were dominating the feeder. This video is more focused on one of our smaller visitors, specifically the delightful white-throated sparrow. Take note of the dark and light stripes on the crown and the bright yellow patches over each eye. And, of course, the white throat. Here we get a really nice close look at the bird, almost like he's trying out different Christmas card poses. Or she. This species does not exhibit any sexual dimorphism. This native bird is not to be confused with the invasive house sparrow, a female specimen of which we see here. This bird sings really beautifully, though we won't be treated to a concert here, unfortunately. What we will see is the white-throated sparrow's signature dance move, a kind of bird feeder boogie. There are two distinct morphs of the white-throated sparrow, tan and white, referring to variation in the color of their crown stripes. Almost exclusively, male tan morphs breed with female white morphs, and vice versa. White morphs tend to be more aggressive, while tan morphs are more nurturing toward young. I can't quite tell if the bird or birds in this video are tan or white, but I think they're tan.
Blue jay music rocks harder.
The blue jays are not as cute, but I do love their milk mustaches.
What are you people looking at?
The feeder is definitely getting really low on peanuts. This species mainly forages on the ground. Kicking back and forth with both feet at once like this helps the sparrow find seeds, insects, and other goodies in low vegetation. They will readily visit bird feeders too, of course. The sparrow is digging for bits of peanut left behind by crows and other birds who open up the shelves while at the feeder. Oh look, there are two of them! Dang, blue jay! The snow is falling again.
I kind of like the boogie.
In my area, the white-throated sparrow is mainly a wintertime resident. This bird breeds mostly in Canada, with only the extreme north of the continental United States seeing them in the summer. The supply at the feeder is running low, but there are still enough peanuts for this jay to be super picky. He weighs each peanut to determine which one has the highest quality contents. Whoop! Boogie Buster. White-throated sparrows will sometimes interbreed with dark-eyed juncos, which are literally nicknamed the snowbird down here. I don't know if the hybrids are fertile, but I'm guessing they aren't, since the juncos and sparrows are not closely related. Blue jay aggression increases as the peanuts run out.
Where are the rest of the peanuts? I've only had 8 peanuts today. I need my 9th peanut.
Oh, hey, I guess I'll have to go grab a peanut from my stash. Get it? Stash? I'm sorry.
If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and share. For more snowbirds, please consider subscribing. I appreciate you visiting my channel. And as always, thank you for birdwatching.